Hi everyone, it's Jamie from Avery Elle, and today I'm introducing our Create Magic card kit. The card kit comes as shown in a zipper meshed vinyl bag with the words Create Magic in gold in the bottom right. When you open your zippered bag, you'll find the following items inside. We have a roll of our strawberry hemp twine, which is a beautiful twine with a really nice body to it. Also included is our coarse glitter. It's a beautiful shimmery glitter with a little bit of sparkle. Perfect for a fairy project. Also included is an exclusive 4x6-inch stamp set. This stamp set can't be found anywhere else. It has 3 fairy images, some flowers, a toadstool, butterfly, little snail, and some really cute sentiments included. We have our fairy ephemera pack that's also included, which is exclusive to this kit. And I'll show you all the contents of that here in a minute. We have our exclusive paper pack in this kit, and it also includes 4 sheets of acetate in 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch size. So those are the 4 sheets of the acetate right here. And then we have our double-sided papers. On the front side is a beautiful rainbow ombre, and on the back is a blue checked. So there's 2 sheets of those. And then we have a beautiful pink ombre on the front, and on the back of that sheet is a blue with white stars. We have another sheet, 2 sheets with light blue ombre and red scallop stripes. And we have the versatile green checked front with the gray stripes on the back. And we have 2 sheets of this sunset ombre, and on the back side is a wonky scalloped gray stripe. And then finally we have 2 sheets of a purple ombre to a navy blue, and on the back is purple with white stars. And now I want to show you what's included in the ephemera pack. So there are 5 frames that are sized 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches that will fit on a card front. This first one is a dark green with some leaves. Then we've got a scalloped frame that has printed stitches on it in 4 colors. We also include in this set 2 small tags, one with clouds, one with a 2-tone red stripe. And then we have the sentiments: have a magical day, you light up my life, sending my love, sprinkle magic, oh happy day. We have 4 clouds that have printed stitched on them, and some leaves, as well as some flowers and little butterflies. And then we've got 3 larger flowers that are shown here. We have a blue, a pink, and then a purple. I really like the size of those flowers. They look really nice on a card front. And then we have 2 grass strips. We also have 4 toadstools that we include in the pack. And the fairies look so cute with these. They can be sitting on top, or the toadstools could just be around the fairies with the flowers and the frames that are included in the kit. It's just really cute. We also have 2 night skies that you could put behind the fairies, in a light blue ombre and a purple ombre that looks so cute on a card front. And this is the entire Create Magic Fairy Kit. We do have a die add-on that you can purchase separately that matches the stamp set. So you would just need to purchase that in addition to the Create Magic Kit. And there's a quick peek at our Create Magic card kit. Thanks for watching.